And in your role, then, who are some of the different stakeholder groups that you need to influence? Because obviously it goes beyond just the client.
Definitely. So currently, my team and I am focusing on joint venture partners. So currently, of course, we have tried ads, we have tried different outreach methods as well, like to reach out to our clients. But the number one focus right now for us, or the stakeholder groups, are going to be the joint venture partners. And we are trying to do strategic collaborations with those GVs, like who are serving a similar target audience. And we are trying to create a win-win-win situation for all of these three people. And the second stakeholder group, I would say, of course, definitely my teams, because I've started the business, but my teams runs it. And of course, I have some systems and processes in place, like they follow that thing. So even if I'm not available to take the interviews of the authors of our clients, then they do the job, then they take the interviews, and then of course we have a professional angel writers who take the interviews, write the book. So basically, like, these are the people. Like, of course, I have something to share in the form of my business, but my team really communicates those ideas. Like they are doing my social media, they are getting me on the podcast. So these are the people like who are like I'm really focusing on nowadays.